Subscribe to APK Vital YouTube channel and press the bell icon to receive all the notifications first. Hello friends, in this new video of APK Vital, I'm going to show you unboxing of JBL Go-To wireless Bluetooth speakers. So without wasting time, let's get started. The speaker comes in such a box packaging. The specs are here and also will be displayed at last. The speaker is totally waterproof and can be taken in water. Also, it is supported with Bluetooth 4.1 and has battery backup of 5 hours, and battery is made up of lithium-ion 730 mAh. Also, speaker comes in with a built-in microphone, so you can receive calls.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
The speaker also accompanies a small white box.
A few moments later.
It has some paperwork, a quick start guide, a USB to micro USB type cable. a USB to micro USB type cable. The cable is flat, having good build quality, and has branding of JBL. The product has good build quality. The product is worth buying. Links of the product are given in description of the video. Thanks for watching. Namaskar.